After dealing with all of the flooding and rain we've had for the last couple of days, we woke up to this morning, which was completely... What was that?
Snow falling.
Which was completely unexpected.
Yeah.
Apparently we've got an avalanche going on over there in this part of the yard. So yeah, we've got a whole new day of challenges and things that we need to take care of with this snow. The first thing that I'm going to do this morning is I'm going to make sure that the chicken coop is clear of snow from the nets that I have going over top, and that's for overhead predators, so hawks, crows, ravens, to keep the chickens safe. But when it's wet, heavy snow like this, it sags them, and then we run the risk of them falling down and potentially falling on top of one of our chickens or bunnies. So I got to get that cleaned up. And what are you doing today?
Well, I gotta still deal with all the water in and around the footings in the round earth greenhouse.
That are now covered in snow.
Yeah, so all the steel we loaded in there, everything's covered in snow. But yeah, when I first came out this morning to check the fire, it was big wet flakes, and now it's kind of like an ice rain.
Yeah, you can hear it like tinkling on my jacket when it falls on there.
Not hard, but it's just coming down as little chunks of ice.
Mm-hmm. It makes everything look pretty.
It looks pretty, but it creates a bunch of challenges. So,
So you're gonna go clean up in the pit?
Yeah. I also want to get everything out of there that we don't need in there anymore, so I can thoroughly try to get the water out.
Yeah.
Do you want help with this?
No, I got my gloves.
I'll be surprised if
there's already some fall that have fallen completely to the ground, which didn't happen last night.
No, it's because it's wet. Yeah.
Okay.
I was hoping to be ramming today, but it is raining, or snowing, which is possibly going to turn to rain. So our Bob's taxi here had a slow leak, and we had to take that to get the tire fixed, as well as a little switch for a fan because it kept overheating. Hopefully it is good to go here now. I'm going to test it out today because once it stops snowing, we're going to plow. First, we're going to get the plow on, and then we're going to do some plowing. We also are going to plow out back where we walk. There's a few people that use that path, and they appreciate it. Shed, yeah.
So James is under there, hooking it up to, is it called a winch?
That's on the front.
And we're gonna plow our driveway and quite possibly our path, our walking path in the back.
The key to the on position.
Okay.
Now you can lower the winch. Just push it up for a sec, like the up ways. Okay, stop. Now you got to come out and pull the hook. See the hook?
This?
Yeah, it hooks on that hook there. Okay, now you have to come back and forth sometimes. Yeah. Almost there.
It looks like it's getting kind of tangled though. Like
Okay.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. We could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand? Now we only get one life, I wanna make it count. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand? That we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind